I always had like an interest in cars and motorsports. My dad would always work out in the barn and stuff. I was always there holding the flashlight and really taking an interest in just whatever was happening. And that's really what birthed my idea and want to go into the engineering and possibly motorsports industry. It's not necessarily a curriculum. I can do what's called independent studies. Here in the race team, if I want to, redesign a very large aspect of the car, you do all the redesign, you make it, you implement it on the car, we get a really nice design part, and you get a credit out of it. I've had a political science major join the team, a nursing, occupational therapy, economics, pretty much anything you can think of has at least walked in the door. There's clear past 100 teams at competition, and you can walk up, you're talking to the teams. If someone has a really good design, they're willing to talk about it, and then you can use it as food for thought in your own designing. It's very exciting to drive. When you're steering, it's a very instantaneous response, so it's really just you and a steering wheel for the most part of the race. I very much learn a lot in school, and I can apply it here. It has enhanced my academics tenfold. Like, most of my best skills that resume worth skills I have gained from this team. Definitely has given me a very much of a leg up in the interview process for jobs.